In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make church flyers on Canva. Whether you're planning an event, service, or special gathering, creating an eye-catching flyer is an essential first step. If you're wondering how to do this efficiently and creatively, stick around because this is going to be straightforward and simple. Let's dive into it. First, you'll want to head on over to Canva's website. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to sign up, but don't worry, it's free and quick. Once you're logged in, use the search bar at the top of the page and type in church flyers. This will take you to a wide array of pre-designed templates specifically geared towards church events. You'll find templates featuring different styles, colors, and layouts, catering to various themes such as Sunday services, community gatherings, or holiday events. The beauty of Canva is that you don't need to start from scratch, allowing you to focus more on tailoring your flyer to fit your specific needs. Now, it's time to browse through these templates. Take your time to explore and find one that resonates with the message or theme you're aiming to convey. Remember, a well-chosen template can set the tone for your event, conveying not only the details but also the atmosphere you wish to create. When you've found the perfect fit, click on that template to open it up. Once the template is open, you'll see the option to customize this template. Go ahead and click on that button. Canva's editor is intuitive and user-friendly, ensuring that even if you're not a design expert, you can still create something beautiful. This brings you to the canvas where you can personalize your flyer. In customization mode, you're allowed to edit various elements like text and images. Start by clicking on the text boxes to change the wording, ensuring all the crucial information about your event is clear. Include details such as the event name, date, time, location, and any other pertinent information that attendees might need to know. Keep your message concise but informative. Next, consider switching out the template's default images with ones more relevant to your event. You can either upload your own pictures or use Canva's extensive library of stock photos. Choosing images that resonate with your audience can help convey the warmth and community spirit your church embodies. Go through each section of your flyer, adjusting colors, fonts, and layouts if necessary, until you feel satisfied with the overall look and feel. Once you're happy with your design, it's time to share it with the world. You can download your finished flyer in various formats like PDF or JPEG, or even share it directly from Canva via email or social media. And there you have it. Creating church flyers on Canva is as easy as a few clicks, with endless possibilities for personalization. Harness this tool to make your next church event more engaging and visually appealing. Thanks for watching, and enjoy bringing your event to life with these creative flyers.